Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the best free AI image and video upscaler AI. So let's get started. So it is Winxvideo AI. Winxvideo AI is a brilliant tool that can make older low quality videos and photos look better than you ever imagined. It also comes with a suite of other useful tools including the ability to convert video to MP4, HEVC, H.264 and 420 plus other formats. What's more, it can compress video size by up to 90% without quality loss, which is great for sharing online, and it also has options for screen and webcam recording as well as basic video editing capabilities. Since you can try it for free, you have nothing to lose by giving it a go. But even at full cost, it's a great deal and far cheaper than most competing options. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.